Hi everyone, I'm Jasmine, and you're here at Breakthrough in English. Today I want to talk to you about one of my absolutely favorite things, cleaning. I'm totally kidding, no one likes to clean. Okay, so the main phrasal verb we use to talk about cleaning is clean up, which means to make something dirty, clean. This phrasal verb has other metaphorical meanings. For example, clean up your act means to improve your behavior. Parents often say this to their naughty children. If you don't clean up your act, you sure won't be going to that party on Saturday. Clean up nicely means to make yourself presentable. Now, this usually implies that you were previously dirty or unattractive, so it can come off as a bit rude.
Wow, you sure clean up nice.
These are my cleaning clothes.
Well, it's better than what you usually wear.
Okay, back to the literal meaning of clean up. Another way of saying clean up is tidy up. A room that is covered in dust, dirt, or gross leftover food is dirty or filthy. A room that has lots of stuff lying around is messy or cluttered. If a room is really messy, then you can say it's a pigsty or a disaster zone. Oh my hat, what a disaster zone. It is a filthy mess in here. What a pigsty. Ew, gross. It's so cluttered you can't even see the floor. If someone comes over to your house and it's a bit messy, we usually say some sort of phrase to excuse the mess. Sorry about the mess. I was busy working all day and I didn't have time to clean.
It's no problem.
Okay. Actually, we excuse the mess even if it's not really that messy, because we want to seem like our standards of cleanliness are really high. Sorry about the disaster in here.
It's like really clean in here. Like really clean.
You think so? If a room is clean, you can say it's neat, tidy, neat and tidy, spotless, or immaculate. Oh boy, it sure is neat and tidy in here. Just immaculate. Looks like the cleaning fairy paid a visit. Other ways of saying clean are neat as a pin, clean as a whistle, squeaky clean, so clean you can eat off the ground, and spick and span. Why spick and span? I have no idea. It sounds like two characters from an 80s show.
I'm Spick. And I'm Span.
And we're here to keep your house spick and span. Maybe not. Okay, let's talk about cleaning. If a room needs some minor cleaning, we call it freshening up. Looks like this room needs some freshening up. When a room is cluttered with someone else's stuff and you have to pick it up, this is called picking up after someone. You often hear moms say this kind of phrase. Why do I always have to pick up after everyone? A deep clean is a more intense clean, where you really scrub every surface and make sure every inch of the house is clean.
Must get clean.
If you're like me, you do this once a month. Okay, once a year. Okay, fine. Once every 2 years. Spring cleaning is a deep clean that happens every spring. Apparently, during the winter, the house gets really dirty. So we like to open the windows, freshen up the rooms, and clean. Spring has arrived. It's time to get cleaning. Chores are the cleaning activities that you do in the home. For example, vacuuming, Dusting. Sweeping up. Scrubbing the floors. And taking out the trash. The dirty work is the worst chore that no one wants to do.
Can you please get the hair out of the drain?
Yuck. Thanks for watching. If you like what you're learning, please subscribe to keep up to date with all my new videos. Ta-ta for now.